Hi, ako si Nathan. Alam mo yung feeling na you wake up on the right side of the bed? That was me this morning. I felt great. I had my coffee, reviewed my task, and thought, okay, today's gonna be super productive. I was ticking off items on my to-do list one by one. Everything felt manageable. Game na game ako. My day started great. Emails sent, reports drafted, tasks completed. I was on fire. Pero habang lumalalim ang araw, dumadami ang trabaho. More emails, more tasks, more urgent requests. Everyone seems to need something from me. Lahat ngayon na. I tried to keep up, pero kahit anong pilit ko, parang walang katapusan. Sabi ko pa, okay Nathan, kaya pa to. Focus lang. Then, the unexpected happened. Personal issues. I got a message from home about a serious problem. Ang bigat bigla. My mind started racing. Ano gagawin ko? Paano ko hahatiin ang oras ko? Suddenly, the work pressure and personal concerns collided. I tried to focus on my task. Sabi ko, mind over matter, Nathan. Tapusin mo lang yan. Pero, kahit anong pilit ko, my thoughts kept spiraling out of control. I couldn't keep up. Emails, deadlines, and that personal issues kanina, it all felt too much. My head started pounding. Hindi na ako makahinga ng maayos. I noticed on my phone and remembered the Calm app. Matagal ko na pala itong nasa phone, pero bihira ko lang talagang ginagamit. But I think this time, it felt like my lifeline. Stop, breathe, relax. Those 3 words felt like a wake-up call. Sabi ko, ay, pause muna, hinga lang. Nathan, ayusin natin to. While checking on the app, it really reminded me I don't have to fix everything all at once. The app had activities exactly what I really need. I started a quick workout at the gym. Ang laking tulong pala ng pawis sa stress. Next, I played basketball with friends, even just for an hour. It felt good to laugh and let go. I even tried Zumba. At first, nahihiya ako, pero eventually, I just let myself enjoy. Afterwards, I rewarded myself, treated myself to my favorite food. And then, I took time to pray and reconnect with my faith. It gave me clarity and peace. By pausing, breathing, and taking care of myself, I regained my focus piece by piece. I tackled the work I thought I couldn't handle. Dahil dito, nabigyan ko talaga ng oras yung sarili ko. Tama nga yung sinasabi nila na invest in yourself. At dahil dyan, I can bounce back with this. And I know I'm facing a lot of challenges and problems right now, but this time, I'm ready to take them on. One step at a time, Nathan. Stress and pressure will always be there. But it's how we handle it that matters. Naalala ko tuloy yung sabi ni Mang Bert na lasinggero sa kanto. Susuka pero hindi susuko. Akalain mo yun, meron din pala akong natututunan dun.
It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say, I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know of God.